clarify something because so many people are asking me, including my friend, how you feel all the time this energized that you do so many things. Like, I am working full-time almost every day in the week. I am also a social media content creator for all of the platforms that you can think about it, for YouTube, for TikTok, for Instagram, for Facebook, and as well as Amazon. So I'm also a full housewife. I'm just, cooking, cleaning my house. I'll do all of those things. I edit my own videos. I do everything by myself. I do not have any help. So people basically tell me how you can just keep up. I'm going to give you a secret. My secret is this one: an ancient substance from our ancestors, which I can't believe is just in my hand. I'm holding it all the way from Himalayan. Here, I just take a pea size of this tar. I put it in any drink every day, a pea size in my drink, blend it and drink it, and you can't believe what it's gonna do to your life. You'll feel happy again, energized. You can keep up with your life, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you're buying the original one. Don't go for the cheap one because they contain heavy metals. Go for lab certified one, which I just linked the original one in this video. Get it for yourself and start feeling good again. Your body rewards you with energy, better sleep, a stronger heart, improved hair and skin, better memory and focus, and more brain power.